I'm feeling better.
Find your energy center. Take a breath in. On your exhalation, we're going to push into your downward dog. I'm Kathleen Elder, and I am a health and lifestyle coach with an organization called Halo, and my main focus within that organization is teaching and instructing yoga. Yoga was an ancient science, actually. It's considered a science in the East, and its focus is helping the body to find and use its energy correctly. And as a result of this, it's become a health preference or a health form of exercise or balancing mind-body exercise for a lot of people in the West. But ultimately, we are trying to clean the body and connect with ourselves again and find out who we are.
Coming into your child's pose and relaxing it down.
Yoga has a myriad of anti-aging benefits. The reason being was we're breathing correctly, which is helping to stimulate the cells to have a better oxygen consumption as far as the cells go. So they regenerate better, they don't oxidize. I mean, our cells are constantly having to regenerate, and we know that exercise is beneficial to that. But the yoga helps to get rid of so many toxins in the body that it is then able to absorb nutrients on a better level. It's able to unblock certain, dare I say, energy channels within the body. But also, it's the calming. It really is. It helps you to focus. It helps you to find out who you are. It helps you to get in touch with yourself so that you are able then to be happy with who you are, to focus on what you really want. And I think that calms us down, and from that perspective keeps us young. Of course, with the stretching and the moving, the blood flow, and it keeps the body supple. The Tibetans say you're only as old as your spine. so it keeps that spinal column, and which is the central nervous system, working correctly. And exhale, slowly rolling out of it, one vertebra at a time, bringing your pelvis to rest on the backs of your hands. One of the biggest things in yoga as well is diet as well. It's very important of what we put into the body. So it's that awareness of really caring for it on many different levels. One of the benefits just happens to be that you don't age biologically as fast as you would without it.
What I personally enjoy about yoga, especially at my age, 65, is that it helps me stretch, which is so important for somebody of my age and older and even younger people.
So I like that it's easy. I also like the fact that afterwards you don't feel exhausted.
Benefit side, I would say definitely meditation and feeling of being connected with oneself.
You're relaxing your mind because you don't think of anything else but that feeling of your breathing and what the yoga is doing for you.
How often one should practice yoga. Ideally, if you had to speak to my guru in India, he'll say on a daily basis, every single day. But you know, twice a week, once a week, you will still see the benefit. How often do we actually give ourselves time? Just that 1 hour for yourself. And as far as I'm concerned, that really also contributes to a huge degree to retarding aging process because we relax.
I'm feeling better.